Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the setup process for StreamWeaver Lite on macOS. It's a little bit complicated because of the Apple validation system, and we'll quickly have an update that streamlines this process, but for now, here are the steps you need to follow. So the first thing you're going to do is open up a terminal window after you've extracted everything to the location where you want to run it. Let me bring the terminal window into screen here. And then you want to use the cd command to go to the folder where StreamWeaver is located. Once you've done that, you're just going to copy a command that's located in the StreamWeaver setup guide that is available on our website and comes with the download. So you're just going to copy paste that terminal command into the terminal window, which again is running at the location where StreamWeaver Lite.app and swlitesetup.sh are both located. They need to be in the same folder for you to be able to do this. So now that I've pasted the command, I'm just going to hit the enter key, and then I'm going to hit OK on the pop-up window. And now it's going to ask me for my password, so I'm going to enter the password. I won't see the letters as I type it into the terminal window, but I'm just going to enter the password for this computer. And then I'm going to hit the enter key, and you're going to notice a couple things come up on screen. I'm going to hit enter again when it prompts me, and it's now going to run the setup script. So what this is going to do is it's going to install the dependencies for StreamWeaver. There's a couple of them, most notably OpenSSL. So once all of that installs, it'll then configure StreamWeaver to be able to have permission to run on your computer. So you have to let the script run depending on how fast your computer is. It could take everything from a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes. Just be patient, let the script execute, and then you'll be able to use the app, and I'll show you how to launch it after doing so. So now that the script is completed, we want to run the app. Now you might be tempted to double click on the application. However, you'd see that it can't be opened because the developer can't be verified. So what you actually need to do is you need to open up the options menu either through a right click or just opening up the options menu itself, and then hit open from there. And now you'll see that on this menu you have another button that you can hit open for. So you go ahead and click that, and then you give it a second to launch. And once you do that, the application will pop up on screen, and now you can enter your license key and use StreamWeaver Lite.